What's poppin', Glizzy Gang? It's your girl Cheyenne Talia here, and of course it is late at night, so I'm trying to keep my voice down per usual. But yeah, if you want to see how I did this look that I got going on here today, stay tuned and watch the video. I'm actually gonna see if I can get my brother to do my voiceover. I just did the eyeshadow because I don't know, like I feel like whenever I do like a full face, it's just boring because I'm sure that y'all know how to put on foundation and contour, and I feel like I've been saying that in the past few videos, but you know, I'll link my everyday makeup routine down there so y'all can see my foundation routine. But yeah, so if you want to see how I got this look, I'm not gonna hold you any longer. Stay tuned.
Okay, so Shy has this little palette thing, and she's gonna be using the yellow color and applying it above her eyelid, like some eyeshadow with this brush. I'm not sure what the brush is called, but it looks like she's applying a little bit of a different shade of yellow above it. Looks like she's probably trying to highlight a little bit. So yeah, doing a little shoulder shake. Now she's applying some orange on her actual eyelid. Look like, you know, giving it a little different color pop. That's what it looks like. There, okay. What are you doing, Shay? Okay, now we're using a little bit of glitter color blue and applying it on the eyelid again. So yeah. Now you're just she's showing the other side, her just applying it to the other eyelid. Okay. Now we're using an orange. It looks like she's putting it on the inside of her eye, giving it that little highlight pop or whatever. Okay. So now, I don't know what this is, but it's like a pink, or not pink, purple color. It looks like she's doing some sort of highlight. That's what it looks like, at least. Oh, now she's using a lip liner. I know what that is. She's applying, or she's drawing her lips, and she's putting on the Glam Glizzy gloss. You know, that's hers. Everybody go check that out. Yep, shining. Okay, now she's using a pinkish color underneath her eyelid. I don't know what, oh no, she's putting it on her eyelashes. That's what it is. Okay. Actually, no, she applied it underneath her eyes. Now she's putting on some long eyelashes. You know, she's setting them on there.
Alright, Glizzy Gang, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I know I have fun. I'm loving this hair. So freaking cute. I've worn this wig like 10 times, you guys, and I've dyed it so many times too, but it's still holding up. I'll have the link to the hair down there, and I'll have the link to the video where I actually dyed this hair linked down below as well. But yeah, it's really late, so I'm gonna go ahead and just wrap this up really quick. It was a short video, but I love short and sweet videos like that just get to the point, because I feel like if they go on too long, it just gets boring. You know what I mean? So anyways, I love you guys so much, and thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.